When we were little, our mom used to make us rice pudding. Most of the time it was when we didn't feel good. She wanted to make us feel special, and it worked. But sometimes she'd make it and just let us have it for breakfast. It's really, really good. So I'm going to make some, but I've never written it down. Just throw the stuff together and it always turns out great. So I've got 2 cups of rice. And in the bowl I have 2 cups of milk. A half a cup of white sugar. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. And 1 egg. And mix it up and then stir it right in to the rice. We have 4 cups ready to go. My little pan has been sprayed with nonstick. Oh, I'm just going to put all this in here. Rice is kind of bland. You can use brown sugar. You can drizzle honey on the top of it before you bake it. Make it however you like it, but this is really good. It's the way Mom did it. And I can't tell you why Mom did this. This pan is bigger than that one is. I got water in it. Oh, maybe a little less than 1 inch. So, my rice mixture going down in the water. Now, it's going to go in my oven at 375 degrees. It takes quite a while for it to bake. I'm going to check it, probably about 45 minutes to start with. But just a regular kitchen knife. When you insert it in the middle, and you pull it out and it's clean, then your pudding is ready to go. See it a little. We'll see how long it takes. Subscribe to my channel. And every Friday morning at 9 o'clock, Arizona time, you will get a new low sodium video. It took 1 hour and 20 minutes in my oven before I put the knife in it, and it came out clean. I have 8 pretty good sized servings. 35 milligrams of sodium for each serving. The whole pan has 280. The milk and the eggs have the sodium. You can use your imagination, the things that you like. If you like plumped raisins, you can put raisins in it. You can season it with brown sugar, honey, whatever you got that you just love. When you serve it, you can put a dollop of whipped cream on the top. Maybe a little ice cream if you want to make your kids feel real special. It's quite good, folks.